Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to install the auto rename tag. Go to the extension, then search here auto rename, then you will see that auto rename tag comes. Click here and then go to install it. This is installing and the installation has been done. What will happen? What is auto rename? Suppose I write a HTML snippet here. This is my HTML codes. Okay, now I write something, suppose h1, and this is a heading. Now I write another h2, this is another heading. I write a paragraph tag, suppose this is a paragraph. Okay, so these are some codes here. Auto rename tag means suppose I want to change the h2 tag to h3 tag. Okay, so when I will change the h2 and put the h3, you see that the end tag, the closing tag, is automatically renamed to h3. Suppose p tag, I want to change this tag into div tag, so you see that I will change only the first one and automatically the closing tag is changed. So this is the main feature of the auto rename tag, and this will help you to code very smartly, and this will reduce the programming time when you will go to make an application in real world. Thank you.